Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, and today just a quick simple video on where the OBD socket is on the Mazda RX8. I already knew where it was, but I had a quick Google to see, and there wasn't actually a lot of information on it, so I've decided to just do a little video just showing where it is, just to clear it up for people. So it'll be the same on any year Mazda RX8, so if you just go into the car and open the driver's door, and then straight underneath, so like kind of just to the left of the bonnet catch under there is the OBD socket. It's just a bog standard OBD 2 port, so that's it there. And then you just plug your diagnostic reader, your scan tool into there, and you can read the codes. And obviously if you've got a left-hand drive car, it's just exactly the same, but the wheel's on the other side and it'll obviously be further that side. But yeah, just quick simple video on where the OBD socket is. Hope you find it useful. If it's been helpful for you, then make sure you give the video a like, and catch you next video. Peace out.